In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a GoDaddy domain that's hosted in Namecheap step by step so you can clean up your account safely and avoid confusion later. If you've added a domain and no longer need it connected, or you simply want to remove it from your Namecheap cPanel, this tutorial will walk you through the exact process. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the hosting list option. This is where Namecheap shows all of your hosting services, so click on that to continue. After that, find the hosting account that contains the domain you want to remove, and click Go to cPanel. This will open the control panel for that hosting account. Now that you're in cPanel, look for the Domains section. Inside that section, click on Domains. This page shows all of the domains currently connected to your hosting account, so this is the right place to manage or remove a domain. On the list, find the GoDaddy domain you want to remove. If you have more than one domain, take a moment here and make sure you select the correct one so you don't remove the wrong site by mistake. Once you've found the domain, click Manage next to it. This opens the settings for that specific domain. Here, you'll see the option to remove it from the hosting account. Click Remove Domain to start the removal process. Namecheap will then ask you to confirm your choice, because this action will disconnect the domain from the hosting setup. When the confirmation message appears, click Yes, remove this domain. After that, the domain will be removed from the Namecheap hosting account. In most cases, this is immediate, and you should no longer see it listed in your cPanel domains area. And that's it. You've successfully removed a GoDaddy domain hosted in Namecheap. If you are following along and this video helped you out, please go ahead and give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.